How to check views on a Facebook video. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily check views on your Facebook video. But before we begin, I'd like you to make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. On that note, let us jump right into the tutorial. First thing first, open up your Facebook app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now to check the video that you have posted on your account, you can directly tap on this profile icon right on top or head over to the menu icon and then tap on your profile. And once you land on your profile page, you can scroll down and browse through your posts to find the video that you've posted. Or what you could also do is search it right here on top by tapping on the video icon. I'm just going to scroll down and find the video. So as you can see here, I have this video posted. So as you can see, it is showing me that it has 84 views. So you'll be able to see the views right here on the bottom right corner. Just tap on the video and then you can also see the person that liked the post or the people that has liked the post. And from your video section right here, you could directly see the views right here. It has 12 views, it has 8, 27, 37, and 84. And that's how you check views on your Facebook video. If you found the tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next tutorial.